Hi everyone, welcome to my channel GK for all competitive exams. In this video, you are going to learn about Bharat Ratna. After watching this video, you will learn about what is Bharat Ratna, it is given to whom, what is the order of precedence to the recipient of Bharat Ratna, is it given posthumously or not. This is the image of Bharat Ratna award. Let's start our class. First of all, what is Bharat Ratna? The Bharat Ratna, also called as Jewel of India, is the highest civilian award of the Republic of India. Bharat Ratna instituted on 2nd January 1954. The award is given to whom? The award is given to those people in recognition of exceptional service or performance of the highest order without distinction of race, occupation, position, or sex. This is the images of Bharat Ratna award. The award was originally limited to achievements in arts, literature, science, and public services. Government expanded the criteria to include any field of human endeavor in December 2011. The recommendation for the Bharat Ratna are made by Prime Minister to the President of India, with a maximum of 3 nominees being awarded per year. What is given to the recipients? The recipients receives a sanad, means certificate, which is signed by the President, and a people leaf shaped medallion. See, this is the people shaped leaf medallion. There is no monetary grant associated with the award. It is the important point you have to remember. The upwards side of the award, Bharat Ratna. Look at this. This is the one. Bharat Ratna. And reverse side, the emblem of India and Satyameva Jayate. This is the one, emblem of India and Satyameva Jayate is there on the reverse side of Bharat Ratna award. Order of precedence. Bharat Ratna recipients rank 7th in the Indian order of precedence. The Bharat Ratna first awarded in the year in 1954 to the C. Rajagopalachari, last Governor General of Dominion India, S. Radhakrishnan, second President of India and Vice President of India, C. V. Raman, scientist, Nobel Prize laureate. The Bharat Ratna in the year 2014, cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, aged 40, became the youngest recipient of Bharat Ratna, while social reformer Dondo Keshav Karve was awarded Bharat Ratna on his 100th birthday. And next, Bharat Ratna originally not given to those who are died, but it amended in 1955 to provide Bharat Ratna award to them posthumously. The original statutes did not provide for posthumous awards but were amended in January 1955 to permit them. The first individual to be honored posthumously was former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Last awarded in the year in 2019. Nanaji Deshmukh. He is a social activist. He won this award posthumous. Bhupen Hazarika, he was a singer and music director. He was awarded Bharat Ratna posthumous. Pranab Mukherjee, former President of India. From this award was in the year 2020 and 21, no Bharat Ratna award is given. The first singer to be awarded Bharat Ratna is M.S. Subbalakshmi. The Bharat Ratna has been awarded to one naturalized citizen, Mother Teresa. The award was given to non-Indians also. They are Abdul Ghaffar Khan, born in British India and later he became the citizen of Pakistan. Nelson Mandela, born in and citizen of South Africa. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.